Gavin Sayers might be only 7 years old, but he has won many races in his home state and already performs motocross shows with his dad. He jumps ramps and rides on motocross tracks like a pro. He was simply born to ride a dirt bike, and his father is great support for him in this sport. Motorcycles have been part of his life since he was 2 days old. Gavin has been around motorcycles since he was born. He started riding just before the age of 2. Riding in his first motocross race at the age of 3, his dad said, "When I watch him race or when I see him doing some jumps, it does make me nervous, but I do know that it is just a part of his life. Sometimes you have crash and get back up. That makes you stronger and you learn from your mistakes."
Street right now, or what? Let me see your muscles. Huh? Did you lose your muscles or what? Gun show?
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah,
You ready? You like big nose wheelies? What else do you like?